Okay, hello everybody, and good afternoon. For continuing the activities for this part of the course, I will introduce myself. My name is Carlos Andres Moreno Abril, and I have 35 years old. I am sister engineer, and I am study on the UNAT University. I am belong on the group that 19 under 1 underline 54, and I am from Colombia and born and raised to the in Bogota. I'm born and raised in Bogota, more exactly on Columnas neighborhood. And this moment I live in San Cristobal neighborhood. I am work in the Aeronautica Civil. In this moment I am contractor. I'm sorry, I am contractor, and I work from the management of the laboratories of simulation for the lessons and teaching the traffic controllers. They works on the airport. Okay. Thank you for all. Thank you for this part and for this opportunity. And thank you so much. Goodbye.